The idea of a cosmic web came from observations made in the late 20th century. Astronomers used powerful telescopes to map the locations of galaxies, and to their surprise, they noticed patterns. Galaxies weren't isolated, they were part of a complex network. The term, cosmic web, was born to describe these patterns. The discovery was a game-changer. It showed us that the universe has structure on the grandest scales. So, what is the cosmic web? Imagine a vast, three-dimensional spider's web stretching across the universe. The web is made of filaments, which are long, thin structures that contain thousands of galaxies. These filaments connect galaxy clusters, creating massive chains of galaxies. But it's not just filaments. Between them are enormous empty regions called voids. These voids are like the dark spaces between the strands of the web, where there are very few galaxies, if any at all. How did galaxies end up in this web-like arrangement? It all comes down to gravity and the mysterious dark matter. Right after the Big Bang, the universe was filled with clouds of gas and dark matter. Over time, gravity pulled this matter together to form galaxies. But the galaxies didn't form in random places. Dark matter created a blueprint, a web-like framework, that shaped the distribution of galaxies. As gas flowed into the denser parts of this web, it cooled down, forming stars and galaxies. Over billions of years, this process gave birth to the cosmic web we see today. One of the key players in the formation of the cosmic web is dark matter. Though we can't see it, dark matter makes up about 85% of the matter in the universe. It doesn't emit light or energy, but it has mass, meaning it exerts gravity. Dark matter clumps together in certain regions, and that's where galaxies form. Without dark matter, the cosmic web wouldn't exist in its current form. In many ways, dark matter is like the invisible glue holding the web together. In the cosmic web, the densest regions are galaxy clusters, massive collections of hundreds or even thousands of galaxies held together by gravity. These clusters can be millions of light-years wide, and they represent the nodes where the web strands intersect. Beyond clusters are superclusters. These are the largest structures in the universe, containing multiple clusters and spanning hundreds of millions of light-years. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is part of the Laniakea supercluster, which contains thousands of galaxies linked together by the cosmic web. Now, let's look at the opposite side of the web, the voids. These are enormous regions where very few galaxies exist. Voids can be hundreds of millions of light-years across. They are the empty spaces between the filaments of the cosmic web. Even though they're mostly empty, these voids are crucial to the structure of the universe. Voids expand over time, as gravity pulls galaxies toward the denser regions of the web. This creates a dynamic balance, with galaxies moving and shifting within the web's structure. The cosmic web is not static, it's constantly evolving. As the universe expands, the web stretches, and galaxies move along its filaments. Over billions of years, the web will continue to change, with new galaxies forming and old ones merging. Some parts of the web will become more densely packed, while voids will grow even larger. Scientists use advanced simulations to study this evolution. By comparing these simulations to real observations, astronomers can better understand how our universe has evolved over time, and where it's heading in the future. So, why does the cosmic web matter? It helps us understand the large-scale structure of the universe. By studying the web, scientists can learn more about the forces that shape galaxies, the role of dark matter, and the history of our universe. The cosmic web is also a glimpse into the future. As galaxies continue to move and evolve within the web, we can predict how our universe will change. It's a reminder that even in the vast emptiness of space, there is a beautiful, intricate structure connecting everything. The cosmic web is one of the most awe-inspiring discoveries in astronomy. It reveals a universe that is far more connected and structured than we ever imagined. From the smallest galaxies to the largest superclusters, everything is part of this magnificent cosmic tapestry. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up, and remember, we are all part of the cosmic web. End screen with credits and call to action to subscribe.